Hey guys, Chris here with ProtectingCoin.com, and I wanted to take a minute to do a unboxing and a demo of some new stock we have in. This is the Ethereum cold storage coin. I did an unboxing of one of these in Bitcoin about a month ago, and I'll link that in the description if you want to check that out as well. But I wanted to go ahead and do one for Ethereum, and we also have cold storage coins in for Litecoin, for Dash, and for Bitcoin Cash. But for this video, just wanted to do it for Ethereum. And this is 1 ounce copper. We also have them in 1 ounce silver, and we can special order 1 ounce gold if you're interested in having a gold coin or a silver coin as well. So you would have two stores of value. You would have both the precious metal, and then you can also load it with cryptocurrency, because you can see on the back there is actually a wallet tied to this. And whenever you peel this off, there's a laser etched private key as well. It's very easy to load. We'll do that with a real quick demo. It just takes a minute to load. And you'll also see these have a tamper-proof sticker on them. And it actually has the cryptocurrency in the sticker as well. So you can see there's ETH, and then it has it on the front of the coin as well. And that is engraved into the coin. Same thing, here's a Bitcoin. If you'll notice on the sticker, you've got BTC there, and then it is engraved into the coin. Again, these are the 1 ounce coppers. So let me go ahead and get my camera adjusted. Well, first off, I just want to show the packaging on the front there. I've got fire and flood resistant, laser etched key code, tamper resistant, and 5-year guarantee. So let me go ahead and get the camera adjusted, and we'll do a quick demo. Okay, so now you have a better look of the cold storage coins. You can get a close-up look of the back there. Just has some information. Like I said, there's your address. Now you will notice, so it is a QR code, and then there is a part of the address there. It's known as a snip, so it's only part of the address. But as long as you can scan the QR code, it'll pull the full address for you. Very easy. Like I said, as long as you can take a picture, you could load this and unload it. So let's go ahead and move the Litecoin and the Bitcoin out of the way. We'll go ahead and open this up. So just tear that across, and then inside it's in a plastic sleeve. Okay, so you can see the plastic sleeve, and yeah, that will just peel open. You just get on a corner, peels open, and there's the coin. See on the front, it is etched with the Ethereum logo, and then on the back is where you have your QR code, and again you have the ETH there in the graphic. And so you can load this as much as you want. Think of it like a piggy bank. You can continue to load this either by scanning the QR code, or you could save this address and send to it as much as you want. So you could do that for your own cold storage, or think about if you gave this as a gift and you could save that address and send to it. If you wanted to send someone a gift every year with some amount of Ethereum. So there's the coin. And in the other video that we did for Bitcoin, I used Jax, the Jax wallet. But really, you can use any wallet that can scan a QR code. For this one, I'm going to use the Coinbase application. It seems like it could be a popular one to use if you're currently storing your cryptocurrency on an exchange like Coinbase and you want to move it off of the exchange, get it onto cold storage. This is a way that you can do it directly through the Coinbase application. Okay, I'm in the Ethereum account on Coinbase, and you can see I have a little bit of Ethereum in there, 0.0839, and I'm just going to click on the paper airplane up here in the corner to send. It's going to prompt me for how much I want to send. Now I can either put in the amount in my local currency, I'm set for US dollars, or I can switch it and put in an amount of Ethereum. I'm going to put it in dollars, so I'm just going to put $15 worth of Ethereum, so 0.029166615. And going to hit continue at the bottom. And now it's asking me for an address. So I can type in an Ethereum address, I can put notes. If you'll notice out to the side, there is a button for QR code. So just click that, and now it puts it in a scan mode. And I'm just going to put it over top of the coin. And there we go. It just copied the address. So if you have the technical ability to take a picture, you have the technical ability to load one of these cold storage coins. And you can check, you'll see 3BE1A. We come over here, 3BE1A, or C3BE1A. So that's the SNP there, that's the part of the address. And again, this is for $15. And then we just hit send. It's telling me, there's a fee involved, and then I'm going to confirm. Sending, sent. Okay, so this cold storage coin has now been loaded with $15 of Ethereum. Now, if I wanted to unload this, like I said, I could do another transaction, load this again, and load up another $15 or $150 or any amount. But if I want to remove the currency from the cold storage coin, let's say I've kept this a while, I'm going to spend it now, so I'm going to break open the piggy bank, and we just peel off the sticker. So you just get on the edge and start working the tamper evidence sticker. The sticker is going to require some effort to get off, and it does leave behind a typical honeycomb from a tamper evidence sticker. So it's going to leave a lot of the sticker behind by design. You can see it coming off there. Okay, so we've removed the sticker, and see beneath it there is a laser etched private key. Try to adjust a little bit of light there. There we go, that's a little better. Now you'll see there is a lot of residue from the sticker, so we're going to need to clean that up a little bit. So just going to use some regular WD-40. You could also use some nail polish remover, but I'm just going to use WD-40. It works pretty well. Something I have on hand. So just taking a paper towel, small amount of WD-40, and just working over the private key. And that'll start to remove the rest of that leftover sticker so we can get a good scan of it. And if you find you don't get a good scan the first time, just take another few seconds to clean it up a little bit. Okay, so that should be cleaned up enough. And you can see around the outside edge as well, it does have the full key etched in case you were to have problems scanning the QR code. You do have the full key around the outside as well. I would recommend, if you're watching this, you're one of the early viewers of it, you may want to take a screenshot of this because I'm going to leave that $15 on there. First one to claim it congratulations to you. I will show how we would take it off, but I'm going to go ahead and leave it on there and let someone claim it. Again, if you did want to take it off, you could use any sort of wallet app that would support the scanning. So I don't believe the Coinbase app supports you to load a paper wallet. So I'm just going to use Jax instead. And if you were going to use Jax, or if you're using some other wallet, you may just have to look on how they do, where is it in the setting. But in Jax, it is under, I believe it's under Tools. So just options here, Tools, Transfer Paper Wallet. It gives you a few different options: BTC, ETH, LTC, etc. Then you click on ETH. Give you a little bit of information. I understand. Click the camera icon there, and it will then let you take a photo or let you take a picture of the QR code, scan the QR code. So once you scan the QR code, then you'd be able to load the wallet. Again, I'm not actually going to do that step because I'm leaving it on there to the first person that claims it. Okay, that does it for the unboxing and the demo. Again, that's the cold storage Ethereum coin. Again, we also have it in Bitcoin and Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, and Dash. So if you have any questions or you'd like to pick some of them up, just go check us out on ProtectingCoin.com. All right, thank you very much.